Oh my gosh, this is so spicy. I don't know if I can do this. Wow. This is so good though. I can't stop.